Hello, for your viewing pleasure, I would like to present a reason why it's okay to be a hoarder. This tool, this bearing installer plate and punch head handle, I've been hoarding this found item. Don't remember where. I think I actually got it in a toolbox at a flea market. But anyways, I've been hanging on to it for 20 years. I think I've used it twice. Today was the third or fourth time I've had to use this tool, and because I've hoarded it, it worked perfectly to install side cover diff gasket, seal, like perfectly. Heck yeah. So, it's okay to be a hoarder. Alright. Jesus, that was loud. Sorry about that. I'm not even sure what fell over. Alright, well, we've got an area from here to here to work in. I will try and back this up some. Fuck. Alright. Probably gonna need some more light. How's that? Well, that's not too bad. Doesn't seem to... Whoa. Don't bump the screen. Anyways. Yeah, that's throwing enough light. Alright. Cool. So now I have an over-the-head rig, which I need to simulate with metal, not clamps. Yeah. You know, prototype is its, ow. Own reward? I don't know. I'm tired. Sorry, folks. It's like almost 11 p.m., but I had a brainstorm and I couldn't turn it off until I made it a thing. So now that I've made it a thing and it's officially a tested thing, this just got easier for me shooting videos. Whoa, I hope that's not considered plagiarism. Anywho, thanks.